Hi, welcome back to New Look. You have dark spots on your skin, any dark blemishes? Now you are not getting any treatments with the products like lotions and creams available in the market. I am having a simple homemade remedy to get rid of all these black blemishes and black spots instantly. So now going into the procedure. To treat these dark spots, I'm going to use this almond oil, just a few drops, aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsule. This vitamin E capsule is readily available at any medical stores. We'll get this vitamin oil in bottles as well as capsules. That vitamin oil which is available in bottles are not safe for our skin. So use these vitamin capsules to get rid of these black spots. Now by using this vitamin capsule, almond oil and aloe vera gel, you are going to see how to remove dark spots from our skin. Now take a bowl, just add a few drops of almond oil. Only a few drops, because this is only to treat the dark spots, not for the entire skin, only to remove dark spots. And 1/4 spoon of aloe vera gel, just in a small amount, 1/4 spoon, and mix well. Vitamin E oil and aloe vera gel and also the almond oil. Now I have taken only the almond oil and aloe vera gel. After mixing both these, now I'm going to add vitamin E capsule. For this, I'm going to take out the vitamin capsule from the strip. After taking this, just keep a small hole at the tip of the capsule. Don't cut in the middle, just cut at the tip and squeeze out the entire 1 capsule of vitamin E. Just take out this oil. Now again mix well. This vitamin E oil is very much main ingredient to brighten the skin as well as to treat the dark spots. Also the almond oil helps to moisturize your skin. Everyone thinks that by using this almond oil will get the oily skin, but it's not correct. Almond oil helps to moisturize, it gives a clean skin, and aloe vera gel soothes your skin if you have any irritations. Now by mixing all these 3 ingredients, wherever you have the dark spots, just with the tip of the finger or else with the help of earbud or else cotton, take some amount and apply wherever you have dark spots. Just dab on the dark spot like this. See here, I'm dabbing here. Especially for pimple marks, it is very helpful. For wounds also it will give results, but it will take a slowly process. Now for pimple marks, this remedy is very helpful. Apply all over your body wherever you have these dark spots. If you want, you can apply while going to bed and wash it off in the next morning. If you don't like that one, just apply on the dark spots and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wipe it off.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.